In this video I will show you how you can connect DualSense to PlayStation 4. First of all, download the PS Remote Play app. Open the app and log into your PSN account. Click on Other Links, select PS4 and click on Manuel. It's going to ask for a number here, and now I'm going to show him where it is. Open the settings on the PS, enter the Remote Playback Connection settings, and click Add Device. We will write the code here in the PS Remote Play application. After doing this, the PS4 screen will mirror to the computer. I will still change HDMI and switch to PS. After connecting DualSense to the computer, it will detect the keys on the PS. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me.